Greetings, welcome to this channel. This is your brother, the Gokwe guy, or call me Mukoma Munashe, or call me Peter. I'll explain that later. Yeah, so today we are going to be vlogging in Canal Mall, Century City, Capetown, Western Cape. So I'm going to walk into the mall and I'm going to be showing you a few things that you might want to see how beautiful this mall is. I'm going to be vlogging in Cape Town for some time, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe and click the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you will not be missed. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump right into the video of today. So right here, this is the parking. This is parking area. This side. Thank you. Yes. Welcome to Canal Shopping Mall. Look how beautiful the place is. Let me know, guys, how am I actually doing with my first vlog? If I'm doing better, give a thumbs up, give a comment and motivate me so that I may continue. This is beautiful. And the good thing I like about this camera is that nobody would suspect what I'm doing. Nobody may know what I'm out here doing. So I'll show you a bit, a place that I used to work, Debonair's Canal. This is the place I used to work. So I didn't have to stop because I didn't want to be seen. Guys, this is actually a great deal for me for this camera here. It's very small and tiny that nobody can see what I'm doing. So content creators from Zimbabwe actually inspired me to do this, because I am from Zimbabwe as well, living in Cape Town, and many of the content creators in Zimbabwe used to stay in South Africa, but they didn't get to show the beauty of South Africa, the beauty of Cape Town before they leave here. So this is what I'm doing. So if this is your first time again, just support me by subscribing. I'm going to show you more. So here now I'm going to go up and go all the way other way around. Looks outstanding, this place is, guys. Full of it. This is the place you want to visit as an African in Africa. This is the place You know, I've worked in this mall for about 2 years, I think. I might meet people I know, and I don't want that to happen because it's my first time vlogging. But let me know how I'm doing. How am I doing so far? The beauty of Canal Walk. This is one of the best malls in Cape Town, if not the best. So look how beautiful this place is. This is the bottom side. Stunning and amazing views, yeah? Guys, look how beautiful. Only a few people noticed that I'm recording, but many people did not know. So guys, I'm asking you that you support me by subscribing. I'm going to tell you my life, my sad story of what I went through in life. Look how amazing this place is. Some people do not look at where Okay, let me rather not say. Look at where you're going. Okay, let me exit here and show you the outside view of the mall. I'm already exhausted. Look how fancy this place is. Just look at the outside view of the mall. If you just woke up here, would you know where you are? I love this place. Look, some stunning views here. Water. There is some water here. A little railway. A little runway. So I didn't show you the complete inside of the mall because I would be tired. But if you want me to do another video, visit you at your workplace, in Canal walk, let me know. If I tell you this place is beautiful, would you agree with me? If you are looking for a place in Africa to come and enjoy yourself on a holiday, this is the place. Of course, I'll recommend you to the places I know. This place I know best because I used to work in this mall. I don't even know if that place is allowed for people to walk in. But the place looks old. I don't want to fall in there. But yeah, the wood is old but strong. So I was inspired by a lot of people to do vlogging. Wodemaya, Steven Duku from Nigeria, and my people from Zimbabwe. I was inspired by actually a few people from Zim. One of them is Kevin Biriot. That's my number one. He is top notch. Inspired by Kundai Chitima, Kevin Biriot's mentor. I don't know if I should say it is. He is Kevin Biriot's mentor. And I was also inspired by Pastor Chirume. Most of those content creators were once here in South Africa. I'm not showing you all this so that you, especially Zimbabweans, so that you would want to come and live in Cape Town. This place is only nice when you're visiting. Yes, that's the truth. This place is expensive. Yes, you can work and make money. But it's expensive. All your salaries, half of your salary will actually pay your rentals, and the rest goes to food and other views, of course. How am I doing, guys? I'm showing you stunning views. Stunning views. Huh? The night bridge. How beautiful and amazing it is. Watching this from the comfort of your own home. Guys, I have walked here. 25 minutes of me walking and you have not subscribed yet. 25 minutes of me walking and you have not subscribed, please. And I'm still walking. I'm still going. These are now apartments where people stay, mostly the rich Nigerian guys. You would find that most, I think 60% of the people who stays in these flats, in these apartments, are Nigerian guys, and most of them are not renting. Actually, they have purchased these things. Hey, my brother with a boat there, when you see me, please subscribe. The next time I see you, I'm coming straight to you and interview you about your work that you're doing, because I am currently doing the same work that you're doing. But there's a few things that I would want to hear and know about this work from others as well. So I will be also interviewing Uber drivers, so you can tell me and share with me your experiences driving on the road in Cape Town. How dangerous can it be? Give me your best story, or what happened to you. How were you hijacked? How did the taxi owners disturbed you? Remember in 2015 we used to take photos in this kind of places, these small places here. Oh, guys, a 27-minute walk. A 27-minute walk, and you have not subscribed, please. Please like the video. Please subscribe. I think you are the first person to watch this video, so why don't you subscribe? Maybe the moment you are watching this video, this channel will be, or we'll have 50 subscribers. Guys, don't laugh at me. I'm still starting. Look how beautiful that building is. Stunning and amazing places. How am I doing, guys? How am I doing? Am I giving you the best quality? Let me know if I should upgrade anything, because this is my first video, or if I should change anything. Beautiful, beautiful. So I think at this moment now, I'm heading back to my car, that I may disappear from this place. I think I've showed you not enough, but At least I've given you entertainment for about how many minutes? 30 minutes. For about 30 minutes. This is beautiful views of this place. Beautiful. Should I go up there, guys? I'm exhausted. Still going up. I think my battery is dying. Back to entrance 8, so I want to go up to the roof. I'll stop at the roof. Let me actually go this side. Can you imagine I didn't go to work because I bought this camera today and I'm already vlogging. So this is my last part. I'm tired, I'm exhausted. So my fellow YouTubers in Zimbabwe, especially those that left South Africa, I'm doing what you did not do. I'm showing the nice part, the nice side of South Africa. And of course, I will show the dangerous side of South Africa so that those who are in Zimbabwe and those who are outside of South Africa will get to see the places to go and places not to go, places to visit and places not to visit. But of course, if you have a family member in the townships, of course, you can visit. You can go in there and still not come across any trouble. Because some people stay there, but they have not encountered any problems. As long as you know when to move around. So I didn't say, this is actually the roof of the mall. There is like 3 floors, is it 3? Yeah, 3 floors beneath me. So I'm actually walking on top of shops. There are shops and all that. We used to park our bikes here when I was working at this place here. Me, I'm tired, I'm exhausted. So I'm gonna walk out of this place. This is the roof exit. Look at how beautiful. This is a car parking. The mall is busy today. It's month and people got paid. All these cars you're seeing are on top of the mall. If you see security guiding cars like this, it means the mall is busy. Oops. So I think I give you amazing views, guys. Let me know what I did. Let me know how I did. Appreciate me by subscribing. If there's no subscriber, be the first to subscribe. I'll show you more and more and more and more videos. So I'm gonna cross here and go where I parked. So guys, let me know how I did. And if this is your first time on this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button and like the video so that whenever I'm going to post videos like this, you are not going to be missed. You're going to be notified. So with that, brothers and sisters, I say goodbye.